Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. As you guys can see, I'm just waking up. I'm in my car. There's my bed back there. I had a pretty decent night. I had a comfortable, quiet night, but for some reason last night I just couldn't sleep at all. So eventually I fell asleep, but I think I went to sleep at like 2 in the morning or something like that. It could have been 3, but where I was at, I wanted to sleep in because I am off the next 2 days, but when I sleep in apartment complexes, I don't want to stay there until people start to get up and go to work because I don't want people to notice me. I don't want them to notice my car because the people that you live around, you kind of notice who they are around you. Like, oh, that's my neighbor's car. That's my neighbor's over there car. That's my neighbor over there. So you notice the people who's around you. So I want to get out of Dodge before people start to wake up in the morning and they notice my car out there every morning. I just want to get out of Dodge so nobody can notice that I'm even there. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I know I have to go to the library and just get my iPad and do like a lot of work. I want to write in my journal today and put my goals down and things that I need to achieve, things that I want to achieve over the next 6 months to a year. I don't know what to do today. Like, it's going to be hot. I know it's going to be really, really hot. So when you're homeless and you have a car, thank God I have a car because some homeless people don't even have a car. I'm able to move around. I'm able to get around. I'm able to get back and forth to where I need to go. Like, when you're homeless and you have a car, it's like you're just driving like to and fro every day. If I'm at work, I'm a little bit more settled because at least I have 8 hours to do my job and be comfortable inside, like air conditioning and whatever, and be out of the elements because it's hot out here. It's like summertime and it gets up into the 80s, the 90s, and sometimes 100. Of course, I can't stay in my car in the summertime. I have to move around. So what I do is I do exercise a lot. I go to parks. I go to the gym. I do have my gym membership. Monday through Friday, at least the library is open from like 11 to 9 o'clock at night. So I didn't know it was open that late. I think it was open until 9. So that's what I plan on doing today. So I thank you guys for watching me. If you have not subscribed, I'm going to take you guys on a journey with me of me being homeless, being in my car, and just trying to get my life back together again. I want you guys to join. I want you guys to share. I want you guys to like. I eventually want to do a live stream. So if I'm able to get on live, then I can talk to you guys like along the way. So I want you guys to support my channel. I am a single woman and I'm homeless. Mostly everything I own, not everything I own because I do have a storage, but the things that I need every day, like my work clothes, my gym clothes, and my bed mat, some of my shoes, my gym stuff, my gym sneakers, and all that stuff is just in the car. So my laundry detergent is here. I don't really have a car tour. I mean, this is the car. My car is mainly always just a mess. So today, since I'm off, I'm going to clean my car out and just try to organize it. I need to get to either a McDonald's or Starbucks or something, or somewhere I can brush my teeth, because the biggest thing about being out here and being homeless and not having access is when you wake up in the morning, you want to brush your teeth, you have to go to either a laundromat to do it, you got to go to a McDonald's, you have to go to a Starbucks, you have to go somewhere where there's water. Some parks do have water. I need to find an outlet so I can charge my Jackery battery. I need to have this charged all the time. I like to have this at 100 charge every day. That's just me. I don't ever like to be without my stuff being charged. I know my voice sounds crazy because I just woke up. I like to have this on full charge all the time because I am always walking, jogging, trying to exercise. Exercise keeps me moving, keeps me motivated, keeps my mind sharp. I wanted to get up and go to the gym today, but then I'm like, no, I kind of want to work out outside, go to a park or something and do a nice workout. I worked out last night before I went to bed. I do work out pretty much every day because some days when I'm off, there's like nothing to do, you know what I mean? I'm trying to save money. I do have a car payment. I have to pay for this car every month. I have to pay for my car insurance. So there's a lot of stuff going on, but I'm trying. So I hope you guys come with me on the journey.